Namar kajingkiu state kajingbun kisamla kiberang sedang banyak kali saw syaka bat ar syaka hapok kejela katanat pulit lingba ke office jang superintendent of police kapin ken mau biang sasisin ya barok kinongnya kali bikin boat green tea kat kum kaan ke motor vehicle act kenang banat ni kijingma kibaap ha kesurong. Kedon Bosco Media Network kalai kendu USP, US Bama Niah IPS, banyo ikijing tip pat jing hikai nak kebenta kejing bha jing pat pa. Ki pulit traffic minta Shillong bat tura ki lazdang ban pindon kam de ki kor ki bor jang kani kejuk ban twet bat bandan kunai ki kali bat kinongnya ki bat pin Khein kha bat bun sin ki kendon an ki bate lakam ye kalet kawan ki kali hasurong. Kat banang bun kejing pen Khein kat tanang kiu ke Kuna. Kinongnya bat nong syong haki arsyaka ki de bantap ye ki kli de ki maloy yada bapaka ISA mark kinongnya saw syaka ringkat bat u neka basyong hakman ki de ban singit syadem singkai de upan po sni baladon hakali USP ulong ru ken mau shwa ban kiu hakali wat klet ik driving license ban light nakakuna kakat.
Whenever we are doing the vehicle checking, the person is having driving license, we can know that he is aware about the driving MB Act rules or MB Act. Apart from that, they should not come out in a manner like drunken driving, rash and negligent driving. If they for rash and negligent driving in MB Act, section 184 says that 5,000 is the penalty, and for drunken driving, minimum penalty is 10,000, and your driving license also liable to be cancelled. So normally, these things are there. For two-wheeler, apart from that, they should wear helmet, because section 129 says of the MB Act says that not wearing helmet is an offence. We generally and it should be with the bureau. It should be the standard on the Bureau of Indian Standard. BSI marker should be there. Otherwise, normal helmet you wear during the accident, it will not help. Apart from that, in documentation part, I would like to say that when you are on the road, you should have valid driving license, then registration certificate of the vehicle, then permit of the vehicle, insurance of the vehicle. These are some of the documents that you should have when you drive the vehicle on the road. Apart from that, some of the things are there. If you are going on the bike, that there should not be more than 2 persons on the bike, one driver and one pillion rider, and both should wear the helmet. Not like that ki only one person should wear the helmet. In four-wheeler, both the passenger along with the driver and rider both should wear the seat belt. Then because if you are not wearing the seat belt, then it is also an offence in the MB Act. The seat belt not only when in emergency situation, it helps that like suddenly you are putting your brake or vehicle is meeting with some accident, so it helps that person can avoid their injury, and the fatal injury may be reduced by using these safety gears. Minors, those who does not have the license or they have the learner license, then the penalty comes to the parents, because they should not allow their children to drive the vehicle. There is a heavy penalty in the new MB Act, so the responsibility is on the parents. Another aspect is our youth, they are doing the over speeding and rash and negligent driving for fun, joy riding like that. So they should not be in such activities as joy riding. These are the offence in the MB Act. Or now heavy penalties imposed, and most of the offences now driving license can be considered. Now we have started also for cancellation of the driving license. Any vehicle they are doing accident and entering the no entry area and doing over speeding, now we are sending to the Regional Transport Authority and DTO also for cancellation of the license along with our police report. Currently now in the Shillong city and the Tura town, this e-challan, electronic challan is implemented. So this e-challan is like that ki we have the entire data of the registered vehicle and the driving license. So Vahan and Sarthi, Vahan is for registration of the vehicle and Sarthi is the data of the driving license. So entire data is now integrated with e-challan. So as soon as we put the vehicle number in the device, we got the info of the person who is driving the vehicle or the vehicle registration of the vehicle. So we through this, and now for compounding we are using these devices. So once the data is entered in the device, for compounding we give a receipt. The person can pay either through cash or through online payment mode also they can pay the challan. But the one good thing is that we are able to find out the stolen vehicle or the tempered registration plate if they are doing, because if we put the data here, it will show that suppose you are putting a two-wheeler number plate on a four-wheeler. As soon as we put the data here that this number is for two-wheeler, but then the number plate we found actually is on the four-wheeler, it will show that this is a two-wheeler. So we know that this is the stolen vehicle or something has been tempered. The another thing is for e-challan devices like that, once the person has committed suppose a drunken driving offense, then in certain time of period he is again repeating the offense is already listed here, so then the subsequent amount is more and the penalty is more. So in that manner, if you anywhere in India you are committing an offense, or then the data is with each and everyone, every law enforcement officer, and by doing this the transparency, then detection of the offenses is there. So no one can escape now by committing one offense if they are repeating the offense.